Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Bluesky for professional networking. So follow this step. Download and create an account, install the Bluesky app on your mobile, or you can just visit on the website and just create an account by choosing a unique handle and complete your profile with a professional image and bio that reflects your brand or expertise. Number second is that we will just move on the next website is Sky Forward Bridge. So you can just connect with existing Twitter followers for relevant users and organizations to populate your feed with industry insights. So I show you that how to create in 1 minute. You will just your Blue Sky account to this Skybridge, and let's see. So after you will just connect your account, the Sky Bridge followers, you will just post regularly on this Blue Sky and participate in discussions and utilize direct messaging to foster connections and customize your feed to prioritized content that with your professional interests. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.